Hi, welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to show you how to generate Squarespace schema and upload it to your Squarespace website. Okay, so to generate a premium and advanced type of schema, I just use one tool, that is SchemaDev.com, this tool, and I already log in this website and generate schema for this my website, and this is built in Squarespace. Okay, so I already update for homepage and about page. Now I'm going to generate a schema for my gallery pages or my contacts page. Okay, so let's check. This is for one, and I use another tool. It's called metatag.io. It's a very helpful tool to get your meta title and description. Okay, so just you need to copy the URL and paste it here and click on parse metadata, and after that you will get your metadata here, the meta title and description. Okay, so this is very helpful tool, and I use this SchemaDev website to generate my schema. You can click generate speed schema or generate now. Okay, a new window will be pop up, and then you need to update your data here. So you can choose your schema type, that means article, breadcrumb, FAQ, web page. So in this video I am going to show you how to generate web schema. Okay, so I will just copy my title from here and then add the web page name, that means your title here. You can also use your page name, that means something like this: volunteer generating contracting and contract, but I prefer to use entire meta title. It's helpful for getting index easily in search engine. Okay, then I will copy the description here from here and add it to in the description field. Now I need to copy the contractors, that means my URL. Okay, and add the URL here. So these three type of data is enough for web space. So you need not publisher name, publisher URL, and date published, date modified. You need not this information for web schema. And then you need to just click on generate schema. A schema markup will be generated, and then you need to just copy the clipboard, and it's already copied. Then now go to your website, that means your backend. Now select the specific space in which you want to add your schema markup, then go to advanced section and paste the schema here. Okay, that's all. And after that you need to just click on the save item, and I will add another schema for another page, that is called my gallery page, and I will do the same process to get my metadata from here. Then it's very helpful tool, I think, for SEO professional or or website owners. Okay, so just copy the title. Okay, then you need to add your title here, then copy the description, then paste the description here, and after that you need to copy the URL and add the URL here. Okay, then generate the schema. Schema is generated, then copy to clipboard and go to your selected page, then add the social image, advanced section, paste the schema here, and after that you can save it here, or you need to save it. Okay, not can. And after that you need to check or validate are your schema markup. So for this we need to go to validator.schema.org, and here's the two type of validation method. One is fetching URL, one is code snippet. So first of all, I would like to paste my code here, then run the test. Here you can see the schema is already valid, no issue here. And we can do this by our URL method. So copy your URL and then paste your URL here and click on run test. Okay, so this schema already, and you can generate according to your page or according to your data or service. As the article, all type of article subtyped here: news article, blog, scholar article, breadcrumb, FAQ. You can add FAQ as much as you need. Then you also you can remove from here, and this is the schema. So that's the way I use to generate the schema and upload it to my specific website. Okay, so this is a really any advanced level tool to generate schema, and more advanced category and are coming soon. So hopefully this video will help you to generate the schema and upload it to your Squarespace website. So thank you very much for watching video. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.